Hello guys, welcome to another video. Uh, Merry Christmas to everyone. I have pre-recorded this one, so I don't have to work on Christmas. And today I will speak about a boring subject, which is API key safety. So, as for crypto manager bot trades, there is not much to review because the market was rising and the bot didn't do any buys. The last trade it did was on 18th of December. It bought some BTC for 41,300. Now it has placed orders at these levels. So if the price drops to 43,430, it will buy a little bit. The grid of orders is still on and it keeps on going. So today I want to talk a little bit about API key safety because many of similar projects like ours had major hacks in this field, and keeping your API key safe is crucial because even if you are making money with a bot, you can lose all the money by some hacker who gets access to your keys and trades with it and manages to profit from that. Even without profiting, it can liquidate your account by sending very big orders without any precautions. So I took a list of some articles about previous incidents. For example, the biggest probably trading bot platform, Free Commas, had at least 2 API key hacks, which I remember, and probably more because this one was on November this year. This one is not related to Free Commas, but also this company lost API keys and the hackers were able to steal the money. Here is a list of different hacks and estimated losses. It's not necessarily related to API keys, but in general you can see the vibe here that hacking is very profitable, and you should take a really good care of your credentials, either it is API keys or passwords or having second factor authentication and so on. This one is from 2022, also the same platform lost API keys, and they have probably very shitty security standards because we keep on doing it after I know it happened a year before as well. So this is probably about the same incident. FTX user losing money because Free Commas lost their API keys, and also here the big exchanges, Binance, Coinbase and so on, asking to delete API keys because Free Commas lost it here. So also review of 5 recent API hacks in crypto, which was OpenSea API leak, Nansen API leak, General Bytes and Coinbase bug that was detected. So in general, this is not something that you should ignore and not think about it. In Crypto Manager we have very strong safety regarding this. So if a hacker manages to access our server, it is not possible to get the API keys because we use a hardware encryption module. So the keys are not stored in a database and they are not stored in one place alone. So it is not an easy hack. It's probably possible, but because every system is likely compromisable if enough effort is made, but it is very difficult to do. Like in a proper bank, the standard for safety is very high. We over-engineered it a lot. So yes, so for API keys, when you generate your API keys for trading, you the first thing you should do is limit the permissions. So the thing is, you never need to give the wallet permissions, write permissions for the wallet, which is the ability to withdraw funds and to move the funds from your account. This is very rarely you need to do this, and in general it's a good practice to never generate API keys which allow to withdraw money. And even if you do not allow to withdraw money and give trading permissions, you can still lose all your money if you lose the API keys. So it's for our clients, we very strongly recommend to limit the API key to a certain IP address. We have it in our frequently asked questions section, which explains how to limit the API key so it is only able to be used from our server IP. So if a hacker manages to get the API key, or you have some virus which is monitoring your screen and it sees the API key, the hacker will not be able to use it because it needs to get access to our server and send requests to trade and to do operations from that certain IP address. This is probably the best security advice I can give you for this. And besides that, of course, you need to do other logical steps like use second factor authentication and so on, but it is not related to API keys. So for today, that will be it. Have a good holidays, have a good celebration, and yeah, talk to you next week. Bye bye.